Solectric.
Hardware platform for drone-in-a-box solution. Reliable and stable operation. High integration and classy design. UTM, unidirectional transmission mechanism. Easy for outdoor use. Moderate size, made of industrial-grade materials. Temperature control with air conditioner. Reliable and stable automatic drone charging solution. Based on Hyesha 3rd generation charging pad C500. Fully open hardware interface. High strength test. Centering protection from IR upgraded and polished through 3 generations. Easy to maintain and redevelop. Equipped with T3 separated monitoring pile. Built-in AI computer. Remote control base. Local router. Simplify your mission operations. Plus, Hyesha Handy app. Fully automatic remote control. Self-check the takeoff conditions. One touch to take off. Route planning. One key pause. One click shooting. Compatible for all types of drones. From materials to performance, operation. Provide a useful, stable, and cost-effective drone charging platform. It's the mission of Hyesha Tech
Solectric.
for drone developers.